Planning for your next trip? Packing can be overwhelming, but with the right tips, it doesn't have to be. When it comes to what to wear and what to bring, we've got you covered. First, think about the weather and activities at your destination. Pack clothes that are suitable for the climate. If you're heading to a warm beach, don't forget your swimsuit, flip-flops, and a hat for sun protection. If you're going to a colder destination, bring layers like sweaters, jackets, and scarves. Next, consider the length of your trip. Try to pack clothes that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Choose versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down, so you're prepared for any occasion. Pack a few basic tops and bottoms that can be easily paired together, along with a comfortable pair of shoes. Don't forget about toiletries and personal items. Carry travel-sized bottles of your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and other essentials. Also, pack any medications you may need as well as a first aid kit for emergencies. Lastly, think about the activities you'll be doing on your trip. If you plan on hiking or exploring nature, pack sturdy shoes and appropriate attire. If you're attending a special event, pack a nice outfit and accessories. Remember to pack light and only bring what you truly need. Consider the weight, restrictions if you're flying, and try to fit everything in a carry-on if possible. Roll your clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles. With these packing tips in mind, you'll be ready for your next trip in no time. Happy travels!